them.
Ano yung mga bagay na pwedeng makaapekto sa brain enhancement muna ng bata? Let's start with that.
Nako, number one factor that affects brain enhancement, exposure to gadgets. Ang daming delete ngayon, matatalino sana, pero dahil na-expose sa gadgets, they show, sad to say, but a lot of them show signs of autism.
Unsupervised gadget use.
Correct. Lalo pag
Iyan na natin yan.
Unsupervised, ha, pag nasobrahan, there's a research, it's now called digital autism, meaning nung pinanganak, okay naman, but nung nasobrahan, na overexposed, they began showing, the red flags.
Para ng zombie.
That's right. Oh, true. Di mo
Yun yung
makausap.
ito ba yung mga nagwawala pag hinatapan mo lang?
That's right,
Ito yun.
that's right. Yes.
Tapos
And
pag nasagi mo lang ng konti, magwawala. Yung
yes.
ganon.
And kasi 'di ba pag when we're doing gadgets, feeling natin we're in control. So nafi-feel nila they're in full control. So pag nawala yung control, nagwawala sila. Affected na yung behavior.
Kasi 'di ba, it's cute to. Hindi nga cute pero it's acceptable to a certain age. Pero sila 7 na ganun pa rin.
Yun
May
nga.
mga ganun, 'di ba? Yung parang wait lang, friend. Bakit ka
Yes.
umiiyak sa smallest things? Hindi kaya yan, teacher, bilang eksperto ka, please indulge us. Kaya yung mga mas nagiging snowflakes yung mga bata.
That's right. Kasi sa sobrang hindi sila sanay mabore.
Oo. Wait, sorry. Snowflakes, please define.
Sensitive,
Oo,
di ba?
para doon layman's term,
Sensitive,
inay-itay.
yes.
Yung ibig sabihin ko, konting kibot lang, nagwawala na
yes.
sila agad.
Kasi nga, di ba, number one, as I mentioned earlier, sanay sila to be in control. Na in the minute, like ako, when I show them an activity, wala yung control. Na-feel nila na wala yung control, nagwawala most of them. So I tell the parents, I'm sorry, but I see signs of overexposure. Therefore, we have to remove it because it's affecting his behavior and his performance. If ano na yan Kumbaga, domino effect. Lahat yan magiging affected. Pati school, performance sa school, lahat, focus, everything will be affected. So, proven and tested that overexposure to gadgets without supervision is very bad for your child. It makes them, regress. Kung wari, ang galing-galing na. Biglang tumatahimik.